some stuck cars from last night. It's pretty deep on the side of the roads, but they got this. The main roads are plowed at least. I didn't have any trouble getting out of our cul-de-sac after I plowed at the cul-de-sac. I didn't have any trouble getting out of our neighborhood. At least there's no traffic today.
County over to Indiana, and I-80 west of Morris over towards LaSalle County still shut down. I-94 going into Racine, Kenosha County is also impassable.
Yeah. This is Ogden. There's one other car coming towards me. This is about the cleanest I've ever. There's a car pulling out in the side street. Yeah, this is about the least traffic I've seen in Ogden ever, even at midnight. It's never this quiet. People are starting to come out a little bit. Out here.
You had your car towed last night and are wondering where it is. It's probably in one of the lakefront parking lots there, which you can call 311.
Downtown is partly sunny at O'Hare, so the system is moving to the northeast and leaving behind very cool temperatures. 20 degrees right now. The wind chill is 2 above. We'll be in the teens this afternoon with the sub-zero wind chill factor. Stay tuned to O'Hare. The temperatures will be dropping into the teens and the wind chills will be sub-zero. Right now we've got 20 degrees at O'Hare Midway in the lakefront, and the reading is on the
There's a
wind chill
snowplow.
is 2.
First one I've seen.
Market watch down in Chicago history behind those of
I gotta turn
1967
here.
and 1999. Well, last check, the snow had stopped falling in Joliet. We are joined live on the news line by Joliet City Manager Tom Dennis. Tom, thanks for joining us.